Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Subaru Crosstrek with a key. First, ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Then, insert your key completely into the ignition cylinder. Once the key is fully seated, turn it clockwise to the start position. Hold it there briefly until the engine catches, then release it. This simple process gets you on the road quickly and efficiently. Sometimes your Crosstrek might not start immediately. First, try gently jiggling the steering wheel while turning the key, as a locked steering column can prevent starting. Next, check your battery terminals to ensure they are clean and securely connected. A loose or corroded connection can interrupt power. Also, if your key has a fob, confirm its battery isn't depleted, as this can sometimes interfere with the ignition system. Even with a dead key fob battery, you can still start your Crosstrek. Most key fobs contain a physical key blade. Remove it and insert it directly into the ignition cylinder. Then, attempt to start the vehicle as you normally would. For some models, there might be a specific slot near the steering column designed for emergency key insertion, ensuring you're never stranded. Maintaining your ignition system helps ensure reliable starts. Keep the ignition cylinder clean and free of any debris that could obstruct the key. Avoid hanging heavy keychains from your ignition key, as excessive weight can wear down the cylinder over time. Furthermore, regularly check your vehicle's battery health. A strong battery is crucial for consistent and trouble-free engine starting, preventing unexpected issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.